So in this video, we're going to review a new functionality in Microsoft Excel 2021 and 365, which is the text join. So for anybody who has had to put together data and make that comma delimited, you're probably used to doing something like this, where you would concatenate, let's just delete this first row, this first column, where you concatenate a bunch of data together, and then you would separate it with commas in this example. So this is all separated by a comma. In the newer versions of Microsoft Excel 2021 and 365, you can do this simply by using the text join. So here we've got equals text join. This is what is the delimiter, so you can choose to use delimiter. Here we've got ignore empty, so a lot of times you do need to not ignore empty, because otherwise your data, when it's separated again, won't be correct. So you would typically use this as false. And then you just put all the items that you want to join together. So in this version, we can see that this puts together a comma separated cell that you just comment down. So in this example below, I've done the exact same thing, but I've used a pipe delimiter instead of a comma. So again, very easy to use. Typically, if somebody came back and said, well, you need to replace your pipe delimiter or your comma delimiter with a pipe delimiter, you would have to replace all of these double quotes, comma, double quotes with double quote, pipe delimiter, double quote. So you can do that with Control F, but again, just a little bit of a pain. Whereas this new pipe delimited, whereas this new text join is much easier to use.